Alright, hey, how's it going? My name's Eric. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you the process that I go through where I don't try to find stocks that try to fit this indicator that I have, and I'll show you my setup, and I'll show you how to use the stock screener here on TradingView, and this is all for free. This is all the free version, so if you're just starting out, this could possibly be a way to find trades and how to implement them and hopefully help you out. So let's get to it. And by the way, this is all just for educational purposes, not financial advice. Get that out of the way. All right, let's go. You see my chart set up. I'm going to show you how to get to that, but I'm just going to click out of them real quick. Here we go. And you just simply click on indicators here to get that. I do SMA 9/50/180 EMA, this buy sell right here. I simply click on it. And then I'll click on indicator again, and I like MACD for my subchart. And that's two. This is all you can get. You can only get 2 indicators on the free version. So then I'll make some changes. The only changes I make is to this one right here. And you just simply go to settings, and I get rid of the blue, which is the, you can go by input to see what it is. You can change them if you want, but that's moving average 50. I get rid of that one. I also, you could, if you wanted to, instead of making this 200's a popular one, if you want, just make the white a 200 line because it's so popular. And then I click off the buy sell chart line just to make it nice. You only really need three lines. That's enough for me. I do go back sometimes, but now I'm all set up, and you see there are buy sell signals. Real simple, you buy here, sell there. Works sometimes. I'll give you some strategy advice, and we'll look at this one. This one's perfect. So you've been following this stock, and you see this buy here. I would not buy this, even though it says buy, and I wouldn't buy here either. Now, why would I not? Because it's not a full candle close above this red line. That's one. And the red line is below the yellow EMA 20. I would like that above. That's more probability. So it's above here. This would be a buy, a possible buy. And if you wanted to even get even more higher probability, I want the price action even above the 180, the white line, unless you made it a 200, just to make, we're looking for probabilities here because the market is so manipulated. We're just trying to increase our, if I could talk, probabilities. So there you go. So that's it on that. And let's go to stock screener. But stock screener, you're going to have to go to another one, and they got a nice stock screener. You just go here, hover over. You can search for bonds, crypto, coins, crypto, knock yourself out, but we'll just stick to stocks. And here's all the stocks for the US market is what I have it on. Pick whatever market you want. And I'm just going to click on this add new filter button, and I'll just go down here to market data, average volume, 30 days, and add. Nothing happened because you got to put some input in here, manual setup, and in here I'm going to put 1 million, just so we got, I'm not looking at penny stocks. I'm looking at stocks I can buy easily, sell easily. Then we're going to click add a new filter just by clicking on this plus sign, and we will type in MACD right here. I typed in MAD, popped up anyways, and add new filter. Come back down here, level crosses up signal, because I'm looking for buys for increasing we'll add a new filter again. This time I'm going to type in SMA, simple moving average. And I'm going to go to 200, add new filter, stick it on the daily. And below the price, is all I want. Down to 37. And another one, just one more SMA. You could do this quicker if I wasn't talking to you, but here we go. And then below the price, and it didn't do anything. Manual setup. Something's happening. Below the price. Sorry. Below the price, 0 to 10%. Now we can even make that lesser. Here we go. You can go to manual here, and over on here, we will go to 0 to 3%, and I stay on the daily. You can only do daily, weekly, or monthly. You do 4 hours. That's not part of the free version. All these others are not part of the free version. You'll have to pay. So go back here, manual, and I'm going to 0 to 3%, take some checks in. We got a nice little list here, 9, of stocks that are on their way up. We got, Walmart here, check that out. Click on the super chart here, see how it is doing, going up, down. Had a buy signal back here. Basically what will pop up with that indicator is more of where the MACD is crossing. We're having momentum that way. So there is another way you can search for stocks that line up perfectly. It's a little tedious, but it's how I do it sometimes. So we got this over here. I just pull this over here, and then you're going to click on this. There's the screener right here, and it'll pop up this. And you got market cap here. You can just click on Titan, so you don't have to go through all of those. And you just simply click on this one, and you just click your little arrow button, and you just go through them. We got a sell there on Google, and that's what I do. You got to buy on JP Morgan, and you can just go through like that. You can go through as quick as your computer will let you. See, just find another one, Home Depot, find another one, Bank of America. Yeah, so there you go. And that's it. So that's how I found them. If you found this information useful, do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe button, and I will see you on the next video.